So as I promised, this is going to be the test. I'm going to try to show it to you. I'll get one without me in it. But also another thing I forgot to say is the respiratory rate, right? How do I change it? Let's say I don't want just one breath every 6 seconds. Well, thankfully, KitchenAid has put speeds on the side. And so that is how we will adjust the respiratory rate, is the speeds. Setting 1, the lowest one is 1 every 6. And then the others are like 1 every 5 and 1 every, I think like 3 seconds or something like that. But and it gets like insanely fast and the gears break. So you have an adjustable rate, right? Another thing you can do is you can put on a second PVC pipe. So you can have 1 breath every 3 seconds, and if you want to go faster. To change the tidal volume, I put different holes in this cog from different radiuses. So the further away, the more towards the center, the less you're going to push on the bag and the less of the tidal volume. The closer you are to the edge, the more of the bag you'll push. And you can also put a spacer underneath the bag to kind of bring it up higher and to get more of an actual, hand squeeze to it. And so those, I apologize I didn't say that before, but those are the ways that you can change the tidal volume and the respiratory rate. Now, you're saying, well, where's the freaking screen, right? Where's the screen? I don't know what my cycle looks like or what my pressures are. This is an emergency apocalypse, like mass cal nightmare scenario ventilator, where you're choosing between, hey, I don't have enough hands, so that patient's going to get a vent and that guy's going to die. This is to kind of quell that. Or if you're in a place that you only have 1 vent or no vents, then, hey, instead of watching mama die or mima or whatever, then you can maybe make something. It's not hard. How are you going to monitor it, though? Honestly, you're going to have to monitor it with 1 physical exam, 2 frequent labs, and so ABGs, set it, watch them, watch their heart rate, their blood pressure, their SpO2 monitor, and then if something's going on, get a gas and trend off the gases. This is old school ventilation. This is not, there's no screen here. The feedback is you watching the patient and being a good clinician. So it is not a fire and forget, but it doesn't require you to physically be there with both hands. So, all right, next video is going to be it. I'll just, here you go. All right. So the next video, I'll get more actual in-depth of it running and working, okay? All right, guys.